Hello, I am Ritu and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to wear a net sari, starting from how to drape it, how to style it, and the things that you should keep in mind. So the first thing that you should keep in mind when styling a net sari is that you have to invest in a really good quality sari shapewear, and the color of the shapewear should be the same as the color of your sari or as close to the color of your sari as possible, because in case of a net sari it's going to be see-through, so what you're wearing underneath is very important. The color of the shapewear is going to be visible through the fabric of your sari, so you have to be really careful about what type of sari shapewear you're investing in or the color that you're choosing for your sari. And in case of this sari that I'm wearing right now, it did came with a blouse piece, but I didn't get it stitched yet, so I just wore it with a white crop top. So that's another thing that you can try out. If you don't have a stitched blouse with your sari, you can always wear it with a solid colored crop top or whatever crop top matches the vibe and the color of your sari. Now let's start with the sari draping. So I'm starting off with this sari shapewear, the color of which is almost same as the color of my sari. I'm tucking in the crop top a little bit more to show some skin around the waist, because in case of a sari, showing a little bit of a skin around your waist actually makes you look tall. It makes your body look elongated. Now I'm starting from the right side by tucking in the sari and completing one round. Now gather the pallu by making some rough pleats and take it around from the left side and bring it to the front. At this stage, you have to decide the height of the archal. Now moving on to making the pleats with the leftover fabric on the front. Follow the process of making the pleats as I am showing here. Arrange the pleats parallel to each other and tuck in neatly. Now adjust the sari and tuck the excess fabric on the sides. Now adjust the pallu as you would like. I am keeping it open here. And that completes the sari draping process. I love how net saris give you a soft and delicate look. You can both dress it up or dress it down as per the occasion. Now moving on to the jewelry, I kept it very simple as I was going for a day look. I'm going with these pearl hoops to match with the white embroidery on the sari. Then some silver bangles. And I'm completing it off with a pink bindi. So that's how I styled this peach embroidered net sari. Keeping it very casual, and as the sari is lightweight, you can carry it throughout the day and it won't feel heavy. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I would love for you to join this community and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, and I will see you soon.